Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to start tafti number 10.
No,
10.
yes.
Okay. And it means chapter number 10.
10.
And
Now I see the form of the zero.
yes, the title name of this chapter is sukoon and jazam. These both are synonyms. They have same meaning, jazam or sukoon. Okay,
Jazam or sukoon.
you can say either jazam or you can say sukoon. This is jazam,
Okay.
the tiny shape.
Even the in the next one, the yeah.
Yes, dal. It is a kind of dal. It seems like a small tiny dal, and it is on the top of any letter. Instead of zabar zer pesh, sometime we have this jazam. Look, again, there is jazam. There is again a jazam. And we can say it is sukoon. So this waw is sakin, okay?
Okay. Yeah, because when I was saying, you see the ta at the end of the word.
Yes.
It's got do pesh, okay? And
Yes.
with other double there, double pesh, what she said, you don't put another letter, another cheese on top. Like you only put pesh and more cheese. I know it looks just like a pesh, like the but you cannot do that. You cannot put another letter. Like pretend we got a there, okay? And then you put a page. That can't happen.
No. A single letter will carry only single harakat. Either it has zabar or only zer or only pesh. You are right. It is not allowed to put the multiple zabar zer or pesh on a single letter. Yes, if any letter was marked with multiple harakat, so this means they are telling you that assume it the three letters, like,
Okay.
wait, this is a nice question. Sometimes they put multiple harakat, and in that case they actually save the ink and the space on the page. They don't mean that one single letter can carry more than one harakat. Like you are looking this hamza, and what
Okay.
does it have, hamza?
A zabar.
A zabar. In some uh, versions of the Qaida, you may find that hamza has zabar, and at the same time hamza has given the zair beneath, and now hamza is carrying how many harakat? Two, zabar and zair, and they add pesh as well.
Okay.
So now hamza carries how many harakat? Three,
3.
zabar, zair, and
Pesh.
pesh. But they don't mean that at the same time in one go you read these three harakat. That is impossible as well. So
जी.
you will consider three letters. You will say this is apparently one hamza with three harakat, but no, in fact, this is not one hamza. They want you to consider it three separate hamzas. First time hamza with zabar, and second time again consider it a hamza with zair, and then third time consider it hamza with a page.
Hey.
Okay, so if you find somewhere that they have given one letter three harakat, three different harakat, so consider that one letter as three letters. Clear?
जी.
Because one letter at the same time cannot carry more than one harakat.